do you like shunting? Here's how you get this shunting you like and dislike. 400 wants a mighty Mac who wants in the yard. Something that is to end the scrap cars. No, see me go the scrap watches. I beg you. Pardon? 400? Pardon? Then the father the scrap watches. Well, he doesn't like the scrap cars. What about Scruffy? Twan the Scruffy? No, not at all. No, not at all. What do you like then? Good September! Jim the Coaches. Ah! Jim the Passengers. Is Jim Gundam in the snow? When Mighty Mac likes is going passengers and go in the winter. Now, the next is when Duncan tells Freddy, you may be lucky though, was you are like best. Kiss to him look loose, you boogie. He does the butchers. I like coaches very much. There's the firm the talks. I prefer trucks. Yeah, they do it also cool. And I like old slow coach best of all. On another way, when the gauge engines are shunting, is what Skull does. He's going to shunt. Jim Donson. Right? Judon means I am pulling. Now freight was easy, but what about those engines at the shed that they wanted to do? But what about slow dodge? Il donne the fuel. He was shunting some fuel. He's shunting he is shunting some tankers. You know what's shunting next. You know what's shunting next. Donjon, they China clay. Well, Bill and Ben said they were shunting China clay, but they were talking about Virgin coaches. Who donate the coaches? They are shunting some coaches. Or no gauge. They were shunting some narrow gauge. Now, I might have noticed that used for some changing to the planes. Do that, L apostrophe and day. There was nothing in language. For instance, use do before. Now, for instance, he is shunting on fuel. He is shunting in tankers. It does the tankers. He used do before look said L apostrophe, not owl. And day before plural. Now, Sir Handel is going to choose. Now, what's your favourite on Gold Coast Freight Train? The girl, le Christian, le Haitian, le Tails cool, le ballons, le ballon, le poissons. How many of those do you get? Did you guess? The last one was not much of my fault. Poissons means fishies. Crayon is crate. Well, the others you might have known. Now, when you have the chance, still remember the things you like.